Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I will show you the easiest way to set up your events on Facebook, whether it's for birthday party, business launch, or a community meetup. Whatever the event is, I will show you how to do it on Facebook. Right, so if you want to do that, first step you have to take is, of course, open your Facebook app and log into your account. Next step is to click on the menu icon or the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you just have to scroll down until you see this events option right here. If you can't see that around here, you just have to click on the see more button to see the events option. All right, so once you see that, select the events option, and from here you're going to find some events on this page. So what you want to do is to create yours. All right, so if you want to create yours, you have to look at the top area of your screen. You find this plus sign right there, click on it, and then you can now start entering details about your events. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to choose an event cover. Right, for that you just have to select a GIF, or you can pick from gallery, or you can upload from your device. So I'll pick from this gallery. All right, so I'll pick one of these, and then the next thing I want to do is to give my event a name. I could just say birthday party, and then the next thing is to set a start date and time. For that, you have to click on that and select the date and time. Once you do that, click on done. And then if you want to add end time, you have to click on that and choose an end time for it as well. Next thing you want to do is to click on these other one, which says, is it in person or virtual? Right, so if it is, you have to enter the location. If it's virtual, you have to select whether it's Facebook Live, or you are going to drop an external link, etc. So for example, I want to host this event on Facebook Live, so I have to select that and click on done. Next thing I want to do is to choose who can see this event. So for that, I have to click on that and select public. I want everyone to see this event, everyone on Facebook. Next thing, it says, what are the details? So what are the details about your events? Go ahead and click on this box and enter a little information about your event. Now if you want to co-host this event with other people, you just have to click on this co-host, and then select the people who you want to co-host this event with. For example, I'll select this person and this person, and then click on add at the bottom of my screen. Next thing, if you like, you can add chat with guests. You can click on that, and also you can do some additional settings. But with this information added already, I can just go ahead and click on create events at the bottom of my screen, and I'll have these events on Facebook for people to see. Right, so that's it guys on how to create events on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like, and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.